Hey guys, what's up? Rainbow Llama here, and I want to show you my nerf AK47. So, took retaliator stock. I took out the sling attachments. Also got the nerf module CCS10 scope on this. Got an old barrel strikes thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's like an old pistol that goes on a tactical rail. Got the nerf module CCS10 barrel extension and the ion fire barrel extension. 10 dart banana mag. And my base gun is the stryfe. Stryfe is a really good gun. Man, it's nice revving. I'll show you. This thing is cool. Take out these 6 bullets. Oh, I have a few bullets in here too. So let's take out a few bullets, shove them in. Now, this is pretty cool. You guys will love this. It's awesome. Okay, I have 10 shots in here, okay? It's a nice stryfe. Aw, jammed. Hold on. My gun is modified a little bit. All I did was take out the lock that makes it so you can't use the trigger. Look. Yeah, and then this thing, this barrel strike thing, strong too. It's pretty strong for a pistol. Yeah. So, put this all together. It's gonna turn into my nerf AK47. Just like this is my normal nerf AK47. That's my AK47 with the scope. Then I have this. That's what I call the AK47 amped. I can barely even fit it with my face there. So, peace out. Yeah. Like the video, subscribe, and click that bell. Peace.